Welcome to the Govets Food Forest. It's the middle of winter 2025 and today I got with me a big steel tank that I'll use as a water reservoir for my permaculture garden. I got it here on my trailer. It's an old diesel tank that I cleaned from the inside. It's 1500 liters. I'm going to put it right here near the road on the east side. And that'll be my third water storage for my permaculture food forest. This is the top of the landscape here, and I'm guiding all of the water down towards the rest of the food forest. Let's see if I can get it off the trailer safely. Okay, she's on her place, nice and level, and ready to feed the trees with water during the summer.